Welcome back to Ingenuity Services YouTube channel. In today's topic, we are about to see how to work with financial modeling. I call this series as Financial Model Series 1.0. This is for the year 2023 here because we are trying to add a few more dimension which was not there in our previous year point. Previous year I just didn't add a series here. This time I'm adding a series for us. When we go down to the next logic here, and you can definitely see the data set will change here. These are the formulas that we are trying to see here, and most of the formulas are already available in our older version of Excel. In the newer version of Excel, we will see XNPV, XLOOKUP, and sequence, and XIRR. These are the four new way of creating a financial modeling has come up. All the other formulas are already available there, and then slope is another one. These are the formulas which we can see them in the older version itself until 2016, 2019 version and 2021 version in Office 365. We will see the following dimensions here. I will add almost around 25 plus videos on these topics. So there are a few things which is hidden in it. So if I talk about some ifs, I have to touch a little bit of ifs, count ifs, average ifs, and so on and so forth. So I will touch each and every formula one by one. Wherever we need to extend it, I will extend that also here. We will talk about X match, which is not in our criteria here, but again X match will be a very handy tool for us to work around with the data set here. These are the financial modeling series 1.0 is what we're going to learn in our upcoming set of videos. You can get this playlist also added. I will add as many videos as possible at the earliest. Probably by this weekend we will at least see 2 to 4 videos on this. The videos will be somewhere around 2 to 3 minutes or 2 to 5 minutes here. You cannot add this as a shorts video because shorts videos may not really be that much effective when we are working on learning financial models here. So, and it explains certain logics a little better. So I preferably keep that video at least for 2.5 minutes to 3. Vinod signing out from iSelf Academy YouTube channel, and this is Financial Model Series 1.0 for us. Thank you so much. Happy learning.